Guys, let me tell you something, man. I never expected to actually give a 10 ever, ever in this channel. Like I say, I don't give 10s to shoes. But man, this one right here got me off guard, guys. Let's not even waste time anymore. Let's not waste time anymore. Run my intro and let's get to it. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things. And guys, this one is a banger. I have to say it just the way it is. It is a banger. Be sounding like the other YouTubers, because it is, guys. This right here that's inside of this very simplistic orange box is incredible. And guys, this was gifted to me by the Cali bro, my right-hand man. It is what it is. And he said, dude, I'm not going to let you have Jordans. I'm not going to let you have any of that. If you want one of those, you let me know. But I'm going to send you what I think you need. And it's always comfort, guys. Remember that before I even do this review, I don't give 10s. But man, this got a little crazy. I'm not even going to lie to you. And what shoes are they, guys? Yes, the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus Premium, ladies and gentlemen. The shoe is gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to show you the materials. I'm going to show you the way the shoe looks, the reflectiveness on it, everything on it. And then we're going to get to the on foot and the sizing. Like always, guys, I'm telling you, this thing is something else, guys. Let's start it off immediately. Then you already know how I started. The materials and toe box. Guys, the whole toe box premium mesh. It is, guys. When it says premium Pegasus, it is premium. This shoe is extremely premium. All that matte gray that you guys see all across the shoe is 3M. The shoelaces are technically the exact same shoelaces as the Jordan 40s. Very reflective, very beautiful. That gives it an amazing touch. On top of the toe box, on top of that very nice knitting, it has a chrome swoosh on it, and the tongue is like in this mesh type material, but it's very nice, guys. At least the bottom half of the actual tongue, and all the way in the top is actually like a cloth. Like I was saying, guys, you guys can see the actual shoelaces, and all the way in the top of that tongue, it has like in a translucent plastic. It says Nike Pegasus Premium with a dot swoosh in white. Staying in the top of the shoe, right in the inside, it has like these coordinates that honestly I have no idea what it is. And it says BRS since 1967. Going to the side of the shoe, that mesh all the way through. Guys, ventilation up the wazoo. That's the best I can put it, guys. Ventilation up the wazoo, because it's just crazy how perfectly made this shoe is. Even though it's a little thing that I gotta speak to you about, just in case I don't want to get you guys off guard. But the shoe itself is made perfectly. The swoosh, it has this gray in the inside, very nice, and on the outside it's like a metallic silver type of color that has a nice reflection to it, very gorgeous. And that 3M goes across it all the way to the back of the shoe, all the way in the back, like in this little tab popping out of the actual heel. It has the two little wings for the premium Pegasus and that same translucent plastic. It's a very nice touch. I like that touch very much, that the old school shoes used to have it. Now jumping into the midsole, right in the tip of the shoe, you see a swoosh embossed into the actual sole, and you're gonna see 3 layers on the midsole. Just to put this into the conversation, guys, so I won't miss out on it before I forget. This is the first Nike with all 3 of their comfort technology. Check it out. The top layer that you guys see that is really thick and it concaves all the way to the top, that first layer is actual Zoom X. The middle is Air Zoom, and all the way in the bottom is the Nike React technology. That is the latest technology that actual Nike created. In this shoe, the air bubble actually has like a gradient color into it. That's like a silverish, metallic-ish color there. I don't even know how to describe the color, but you guys see it. Very beautiful color, and it gives it a nice tint. And all the way in the back of that bubble, it says Air Zoom, and the whole inside is in white with a little strip of silver on the React part of it. Going to the sole of the shoe, very nice pattern. Never seen this pattern before, but it is very grippy. I did wear it here in the studio for a while, and it's very nice, guys. It's very grippy. And right in the middle, it has a window that goes to the actual Air Zoom. And as you guys can see, it says Air Zoom on that window in silver and black. And it has a swoosh on the inside of the actual foot. Now going to the inside of the shoe, this right here is the left pair, and it says Air knitted into that canvas. Very nicely put. I like the way they actually did that, but we still got to get to the right foot. And in the back, it has in glossy the Nike swoosh. And on the right foot, instead of Air, it says Zoom. Like I said, very nicely put there. And the same swoosh in the back. You guys can see it. You see right there, so you guys can check it out. Scoop it out, baby. One of a kind. Yes, sir. And to finish it off, the inside of the shoe, the whole lining in a very nice mesh cloth type material. And the insole is ortholite. And it says Air Zoom in silver, and the rest is in black, guys. So there you guys have it. Before I even get to the comfort, I'm gonna talk to you about the sizing, because it's very important, and that's what I was talking about in the beginning that I had to explain to you. Like I said, this was gifted to me by the Cali bro, and he knows that I'm a 9.5 in Jordans. And Air Maxes, I'm usually a 9.5. Even though lately, I don't know why, I've been going more for a size 10. Maybe I'm going more for comfort, guys. But this shoe right here, I can tell you straight off the rip, go half a size up. Don't hesitate on it. To me, guys, of course, I'm always going to tell you, try them out in the store. Go try them out in the store. That's always going to be your best bet. But this shoe, I don't care what nobody tells me, it's extremely snug. Extremely, extremely snug. That I'll see how I can figure out how to make it bigger. That, honestly, don't be thinking nothing weird over here, bro. Don't be thinking nothing weird over here. I have ways to actually do it, and I'll probably do a video about it, guys. But yes, I recommend going half a size up if you don't want to go through the whole ordeal. That, like I said, I'll make a video about it. You know what? I'll invest the money and I'll show you guys how to get it done. Just in case you guys want a bigger shoe. It is what it is, guys. Go half a size up. You're not gonna go wrong. I know what I'm telling you. Now, when it comes to the comfortability, that is the part that I don't even know how to explain. The comfort on this shoe is something on and beyond. When I first put on this shoe, guys, I really cannot explain how this shoe feels. I wish somebody had the shoe and comments below. Maybe he could have described it a little bit better, because in my case, this is the first time I ever feel a shoe like this, and it's just, I'm gonna put it as normal as possible when it comes to this, so you guys could try to understand. Just imagine a firm shoe, very firm running shoe, but it's just a full-blown cushion all around. That I'm gonna show you the videos. Look, check it out right there, guys. It's just a sponge that is crazy soft, but it's very firm in the middle of the shoe. Like a step's great, but man, it goes and it contours with your foot so much that it's sometimes that actually gets a little weird. It feels weird. I'm not gonna hesitate to say this, guys. It actually feels weird when the first time you wear these shoes. That's how crazy they are. The comfort is out of control, and hopefully, well, what I'm gonna do with it, it stretches out enough that it makes it fit great. This shoe is incredible. And I'm gonna give it, before I even get to the styling, I am gonna give this. I do not give 10s, guys. I just don't do that. I gave my Cayano 14s, the same with the Vomeros. I gave them a 9.5. 9.5, I never imagined nothing would ever beat that. These, 9.7 on Primo scale, 100%, dude. These things are nuts. Nuts. I recommend these shoes so much, guys. And look at them. Look at the styling on them, bro. These things look so beautiful. These things are gorgeous, guys. And just in case the wrinkles actually bother you on the midsole, that a lot of people, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people don't like it. Well, that's just part of the actual shoe. This shoe was brand new, and it just came with it. It just had it, guys. You try them out one time, it's gonna be like that. And that's just the way ZoomX is. The Kobe's are like that as well, guys. So there's nothing much you can do about those wrinkles. But when it comes to the comfort, bro, oh my God, bro. These things are crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. It's just insane. That's all I'm gonna say about it, guys. There's not much else I can say about it besides that it's an amazing, well-made shoe. Nike, whoever the hell constructed this, came up with the idea. Yo, you killed the game. Because to me, I don't know what the hell's gonna beat this in comfort, bro. That's serious, bro. This is the shoe right now that honestly is like, yo, if you have to wear one shoe for the rest of your life, I wouldn't even know between the pick. I've always said it, man. Those Asian Cayano 14s to me and the Gel NYCs. Bro, I love those shoes, bro. Those are like my top favorite shoes, period. I don't even know what to tell you. This is there, man. I will have to buy a white pair that you guys know I'm a sucker for white. And it's just like, yo, I will have to just wear them, see how they put up. This shoe is so comfortable that honestly, I don't even know if these things will last. It feels like they're just gonna fall apart. It's like, hey, bro, you're gonna be good for like a whole month, and then gone, poof, go spend another $220. This is crazy. But yes, guys, I'm telling you my honest review, what I truly think about the shoe. If you guys have them, comment below. Let's help out the rest of the people that don't have them, because I know a lot of people have hesitated to buy them for the simple fact of they don't know what to expect, and it's expensive shoe, guys. It's $220. So let's check them out. Cali, bro, I love you, my brother. Thank you so much for the gift, and I know you're always looking out for me. What can I say? Toda madre, un desmadre, bro. It is what it is, guys. 100% recommend them. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. Go Eddie.